Alright, y'all, we got Miss Maverick versus. Damn, I forgot old boy's name over there, man. What's his name? Ho Daddy. Yeah, got Miss Maverick versus Ho Daddy. Miss Maverick just did a little burnout. Ooh, Pro Charge. She's got the Pro Charger and the 1977 Maverick, Ford Maverick. Oh yeah, guys, this thing is a beast. Pro Charge, small block versus Ho Daddy. Oh yeah, dude, he's a freaking killer, man. Yeah, has a nice size motor. Hubbard the tuner. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, look at the wheelie. Jeez. Man, Miss Maverick with the win.